Hello viewers, welcome to this video. I hope all of you are well. I am also well. Viewers, today I am going to share with you some English classroom languages. So, without further delay, let's see the sentences. Number 21. Read loudly. Read loudly. That means জোরে জোরে পড়ো. জোরে জোরে পড়ো. Number 22. Keep silent. Keep silent. That means চুপ থাকো. চুপ থাকো. Number 23. Stop talking. Stop talking. That means কথা বলা বন্ধ করো. কথা বলা বন্ধ করো. Number 24. Stop writing. Stop writing. That means লেখা বন্ধ করো. লেখা বন্ধ করো. Number 25. Stop reading. Stop reading. That means পড়া বন্ধ করো. পড়া বন্ধ করো. Okay viewers, keep learning and practicing these sentences.